Welcome back to the Toy Soldier Outpost. Today's video we're going to be looking at Predator, decked out in yellow. I really like this color on this character with the gold bronze head. Nice artwork on the cover. The Golden Angel, it's called. Ultimate Edition. Artwork by Neca. Pretty cool character and box. I like it a lot. So what I'll do is I'll get him out of the box, then we'll commence our little review. But just so all of y'all feel safe while I do it, I brought in 2 guards and the demon, just in case the predator tries to get out of hand. So stand by as I get him out of the box. And we're back. So we got him out of his packaging. Overall excellent figure. As you can see, got a nice head full of dreadlocks. Got his traditional Predator helmet on. He's wearing his bone collector necklaces. They say he comes in at 30 points of articulation, but I don't know about all that. Swivels around pretty good at the wrist or the shoulder. There's no movement other than that. Swivels at the deltoid. This here is already snapped, so we gotta be ginger with that. Good bend at the elbows, I like that. Don't have to fight with it. Good swivel on the hands. See if we can get that to stay there for the duration of the review. And he's got limited limited movement here. This here is keeping him from moving freely like this one does. Good bend at the knees though. Good swivel on the foot. And that's about it for that. Then his head pops off. I'm gonna take these bone necklaces off of him just to keep them out of the way for now, because they keep getting in the way and I don't want to take a chance on those snapping like that other wire did. Got his tribal necklace. So since we got his head off, we'll go ahead and put another one on. This is that traditional one. We'll throw on his ugly mug face. Got his little earring in his snout there. Funny little touch. We'll pop his head on. Hold on, stand by. The dreadlock hair kind of gets in the way of you snapping his head on. There he goes. See if we can give you a good look of him. Pretty grimacing. See that little wire there snap. So we'll have to come up with some two-sided tape to keep that affixed to him. Okay. So his other head was the one that he was featured in at the beginning. Pretty cool. Got these horns all around it, red eyes. Cool head sculpts. I have to give it to Neca for that. Then he comes with his little shoulder laser rat killing gun. That just snaps on his shoulder here. Like so. There you go. It's a nice look of it. Then he comes with, let's see if we can get this adjusted better. Up a little. There you go. Much better. We got this sword he comes with. And it's a two-piece. You could shove this part in his back pouch here. But there is no slot for this piece for some reason. And it comes in with a couple extra hands. Another gripping hand for the sword. Then his Fonzarelli hand. Hey! Hey! Where's my comb? And we got his flintlock pistol. Not sure why he's got such primitive guns for a space being. And he's got his little throwing stars. Is that what these are? Someone leave in the comments if you know what these discs are. I forget. I haven't seen the movie in such a long time. This one here affixes to his side. Side of his leg there. No real spot for this one. And he's got his little wrist communicator. And his Freddy Krueger claw. This little disc keeps popping off. Well, yeah, that's what he features. Pretty cool character overall. Really happy to have this in my collection. But that's my 2 cents on this character. Wait, there's a Crimson Guard coming. Let's see what he has to say. Back to the chopper! And on that note, like and subscribe if you please. Really helps the channel out. If you like these videos, give me a thumbs up. Show me some love, peeps. And until the next video, I am out.